Hi, my name is Blake Vandevoorty, District Sales Manager for Keystone, Montana. Today we're going to introduce the all-new Montana High Country 381 TB. Over the past few years, we are seeing more and more families choose Montana High Country for full and part-time travel. We designed the 381 TB to give families with growing kids a better sleep configuration and their own bathroom. It's also a great layout for retirees who want to travel with their grown children or friends. Let's go take a look. The standard features in the bedroom for the Montana High Country 381 TB includes a king-size bed with storage underneath, as well as a dresser, and then nestled in the front cap is the wardrobe to utilize every bit of space. You also have your private master bathroom. So moving into the kitchen, we have an island with plenty of counter space that includes a flip-up countertop for even more counter space. We also have a buffet and coffee station that gives you maximum countertop space outside of the kitchen. We have a JBL sound system, as well as a 30-inch fireplace. And then of course, a 50-inch smart TV that is located directly across from your theater seating. Moving into the most exciting part of this floor plan, you have the second bedroom and the second bathroom, which is conveniently located below the lofted bedroom for the kids. In the second bedroom and second bathroom, there is plenty of wardrobe space, as well as storage directly next to the ladder when you climb up into the loft. When a unit can sleep 8 to 10 people, you need maximum storage as well as 2 entries, which is why we put a second entrance right out the back of the unit. So stepping to the outside, the Montana High Country 381 TB offers extra tall slides, panoramic windows with tinted safety glass. This unit has 6-point electric auto leveling with hitch memory, making hooking up after camping very easy. We also offer the industry-leading 16-gallon gas electric hot water heater. All Montanas also come with lithium batteries, which pair great with our Solar Flex system. And also, this exterior includes 2 awnings standard. As well as offering 2 exterior awnings, every Montana High Country includes a drop frame pass-through storage, which gives you the most storage in the industry. Thanks everybody for watching. Remember to tune into our YouTube channel for more videos like this one and check out more about this unit on our website.